Fun fact about Himesh Reshammiya that people might not know.
यार उस बंदे का जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, he is not fooling around with it. He knows what he is doing, and I 100% respect that and appreciate that.
आपके पास iPhone है?
Yes.
Daily average steps बताओ मेरे को.
मैं कभी काउंट ही नहीं करती.
मैं बता रहा, it will be fun.
Really?
Yeah.
300 स्टेप?
Scarlett Johansson saying कि I'm too fragile to be on Instagram.
I'm not fragile, but if I was as big as Scarlett Johansson, I wouldn't be on social media. And I'm waiting for the day that I become big enough कि I can just go off it. Do you get that feeling when you're watching horror? Suppose a character is entering a space जहाँ से कुछ आवाज या कुछ आई है, and you're like, light on कर ले, क्या कर रहा है? Like switch on the light, you know. First film I saw in the theaters was Titanic, and I was like blown away. Have you seen Anatomy of a Fall?
I hate Anatomy of a Fall. It's one of the biggest scams of modern century.
We could almost end with this fight, so I think it would be worth it.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Vaibhav Munjal podcast. आज का मेरा episode है with the amazing actor Kirti Kulhari. You must have seen her in some amazing films and most recently Badass Ravi Kumar. कीर्ति के साथ मैंने बहुत सारी बातें करी, मुझे नहीं पता था she is such a big film nerd. So this discussion is all the more amazing. After the shoot, she also made us have the home cooked biryani and it was such a nice experience यार. Sometimes when you do these podcasts, these little moments like they mean a lot. बहुत मजा आने वाला है आपको ये episode देख के and we are bringing a lot more amazing episodes on Vaibhav Munjal podcast exclusively for you. So do subscribe to the channel and let's jump right inside the amazing conversation I had with Kirti.
I'll be the one asking you about your life.
पूछो.
So yeah,
That's the idea. Basically, I think
it's like a conversation.
कुछ भी हो सकता है, मतलब like unless and until कि वैभव ये भी बात कर लो, पीछे से आके नहीं बोले अपन, like we can talk.
We can just like yeah.
We can talk about lactose-free milk and different kinds of.
Sure, let's like.
Do you like oat milk, almond milk?
I do. I love them.
So मेरे को दिक्कत ये रही है कि I've always had a problem with the tastes of all these, or particularly.
Actually, I love the taste of oat milk and almond milk.
Then why do you have?
Almond milk तो बहुत महंगा है इसलिए मैं थोड़ा.
हाँ, but then why do you have lactose-free अमूल वाला?
Because I have दूध वाला चाय in the morning.
उसमें oat.
I can't do अपना रेगुलर मसाला चाय, अदरक चाय विद ओट मिल्क, ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. मतलब this is ये मेरे उसूलों के खिलाफ है.
हाँ.
You know, चाय you can't fuck around with.
And there is also cashew milk, right?
Yeah, never tried that.
हाँ, मैंने सुना है बहुत.
मैंने बहुत recently vegan cheese try की थी. Which is actually made of cashews. Like they use a lot of cashew-based stuff. Didn't try it again.
But आप मांस मच्छी खाते हो कुछ?
हाँ. I'm not a vegan.
मैं आजकल लेकिन ट्राई कर रहा हूँ ग्लूटेन फ्री चीजें थोड़ा.
मैं ग्लूटेन फ्री तो वैसे भी मतलब मैं ग्लूटेन फ्री वैसे भी फॉलो करती हूँ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. मतलब व्हीट जो है वो मैं बहुत हफ्ते में 1-2 बार खाती हूँ. So I am not allergic to anything as such.
Same.
But then मुझे लगता है कि
it just makes sense and you feel better.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
मैं ये एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ because last 40 days से I've been on a very clean diet. मैंने सिंपल चीज़ें की हैं. I still have tasty food but रोटी नहीं खा रहा. रोटी खानी है तो मक्के की या बाजरे की रोटी खा ली. वो
You should try jaw.
हाँ.
Jaw is barley if I'm not mistaken. It's very similar to अपना wheat रोटी. But it's jaw.
हाँ.
So जो है सो है.
जो मैंने क्रैक किया, इट्स लाइक इट नीड्स टू बी द रेपिटेशन ऑफ फूड. तो आप दिमाग जितना कम लगाना पड़ेगा कि क्या
यार, दिस इज माई गोल इन लाइफ. माई लाइफ कैन नॉट रिवॉल्व अराउंड माई डाइट फॉर द डे. आई एम स्कैर्ड ऑफ द आइडिया ऑफ बीइंग ऑब्सेसिव अबाउट एनीथिंग. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू हैव अ लाइफस्टाइल व्हिच इज वेरी डूएबल एंड वेरी मैनेजेबल. बिकॉज आई ट्रैवल, आप शूट्स पे होते हैं, आप अलग अलग जगह जाते हैं. यू कांट ड्राइव योर सेल्फ एंड द प्रोडक्शन क्रेजी की मैं तो यही खाती हूँ, यू नो, ये वहाँ से आएगा. सो just simplify it.
मान लो कि अगर आप एक ऐसी जगह पे हो जहाँ पे you don't have access to the kind of food you want, so what's the ऐसा कौन सा पाप करोगे अगर आपको एक केटरिंग का खाना पड़ रहा है तो चलो ये खा लेते हैं, इसमें सबसे कम पाप हो रहा है जो सबके लिए लगी है फूड स्टॉल.
मैं आई एम वेरी गुड विद दैट as long as उसमें सोडा नहीं है.
Oh.
My problem is not the catering food. My problem is the soda that goes into them. Like a paneer. अगर आप मुझे पनीर का कुछ दोगे तो मैं वो सो आई अवॉइड नॉन वेज मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. मतलब मैं शूट्स पे नहीं खाती हूँ. घर पे भी मैं इतनी बड़ी नॉन वेजिटेरियन नहीं हूँ. सो माई डाइट इज लाइक 80-20 70-30.
क्या 80-20 70-30
लाइक
मतलब
80 इज वेजिटेरियन, 20 इज
got
नॉन
it, got it,
वेजिटेरियन. तो शूट्स वूट्स पे आई डोंट, अनलेस आई एम वेरी श्योर ऑफ द सोर्स ऑफ where it's coming from, I avoid non-vegetarian on shoots and outside when I'm traveling. But I think paneer is something that I would totally eat. I love sabzis, so unless the बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पाइसी या मसालेदार कुछ है, मुझे सिंपल थोड़ा सिंपल कुछ दे दो. मतलब उसको मसाले तेल सब डाल के लाइक डोंट मेक इट.
सो टेल मी इफ आई एम डूइंग इट राइट. मैं अगर ऐसे किसी शादी में जाना होता है, भूख लगी और कुछ भी हेल्दी नहीं, जैसे मेरे को परसों भी जाना है, आई ऑलवेज गो फॉर द दाल चावल.
हाँ, आई डू दैट. या
मतलब वो सेफ है ना, मतलब among all the things कि
or I'll probably do a roti and paneer का सब्जी, और I'll do like a dal with a roti or something. चावल का मुझे एक और, मेरा चावल का बहुत मेजर प्रॉब्लम है. I love rice, but I hate the basmati rice that's floating around in the market.
What's the issue with it?
It just tastes like plastic. See, you have the basmati which is top quality and that still has a flavor. But otherwise, जो वो average quality का जो सस्ता बासमती बिक रहा है मार्केट में, it tastes like you're eating plastic. तो मेरा वो, then I have to switch to rice, to roti or whatever is there. So I would rather have wheat roti, which is gluten, than have that rice.
Crazy.
Yeah.
I switched to brown rice 2 months back. उससे एक चीज हो रही है, नींद कम आती है, जो मेरे को ट्रेनर ने बताया था कि वो जो एकदम से वो जो आता है ना काम
So the GI is it's a higher GI ना या lower GI?
कौन सा ग्लूकोज इंडेक्स?
No, glycemic index.
हाँ, glycemic
yes,
index.
Yes. So that's why it takes, so glycemic index is, it takes longer to digest it. So your body is spending more energy in burning it. So which is good for if you're trying to lose weight and on a fitness thing.
Yeah.
But I don't know यार, थोड़ा brown rice कभी कभार is fine, but I haven't been able to make it a very,
because of the,
I think I love white rice too much. Like I do kolam and indrani, and there's a very there's Kashmiri चावल बहुत अच्छे होते हैं.
अच्छा.
There's Gobind Bhog in from Calcutta. It's amazing. Like ऐसा चावल बनेंगे तो ऐसे पूरे घर में खुशबू होगी कि चावल बन रहे हैं. So I don't know. मैं कम खाती हूँ, but मैं brown rice तक नहीं switch हो पाई अभी तक.
And what about fruits? Which are some of your favorite fruits?
I love this fruit called persimmon. Have you heard of it?
I'll Google.
I'm sure most people haven't. मैंने इसको पहली बार जॉर्जिया में खाया था.
Okay.
और मेरे वहाँ पे होटल के बूफे में था, एंड आई वाज लाइक ये क्या चीज़ है, एंड आई फेल इन लव विद दैट फ्रूट, एंड इट एक्चुअली आई थिंक इट्स नंबर 1 ऑन माई लिस्ट.
अच्छा.
और अभी मैं जब हिमाचल गई थी सितंबर में, आई वेंट फॉर अ बाइक ट्रिप.
Oh, I know this one.
Exactly.
ये जब महंगे 5 stars में जाते हो तब होता है.
मैंने तो देखो इंडिया में किसी 5 स्टार में नहीं खाया है, बट
Oh, I know this
dude,
one.
I saw trees of it in Himachal this time. So I saw this and I'm like, oh my god, persimmon. So yeah, I think that's pretty much my favorite fruit. So for those who don't know, its taste is a mix of mango and orange.
Very nicely put.
Yeah, and I love it. And then I actually love fruits. मुझे fruits
मेरे को भी
I
बहुत
love
पसंद है.
चीकू. I really enjoy सीताफल. I love watermelons.
I love watermelon.
Yeah.
I have been lately enjoying strawberries.
Of course, strawberries का तो मौसम है अभी.
तो जब मैं जयपुर में होता हूँ तो बड़ी गंदी अनेस्थेटिक स्ट्रॉबेरीज आती हैं. यहाँ मैंने देखा ये क्या भर रहे हैं भाई, एक स्ट्रॉबेरी जैसे स्कूल में बनाते थे.
वो इंजेक्शन मार
तो
के.
the better it looks, the more you should be.
The scary it is to eat.
Every strawberry is perfect. ये कैसे Blinkit?
It's factory made.
Shit, man.
Yeah, no, but you'll find very good strawberries in some organic stores. I'm supposed to go to one and pick it up, and it's legit organic. So yeah, एक तो ये organic वाला भी मुझे लगता है कि यार मतलब अच्छा खाने के लिए भी, शुद्ध खाने के लिए भी you have to pay a premium. What has humanity come, like where have we reached?
And it will just get more and more expensive.
अभी डिमांड
Imagine
पैसे हैं.
पानी में ही हो रहा है. मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ कि 20 रुपए की बिस्लरी में वो क्या नहीं डाल रहे कि दूसरा पानी लाइक 100 रुपए 500 रुपए 1000 का है. मैंने कहा ये
Yeah, for all you know, we are heading where pani would be the most expensive commodity.
yeah. And what's your opinion of juices? Like, do you prefer juices? लोग कहते हैं ना जूस में वो पूरा निकल
यार
जाता
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आता है जूस पीने में. घर पे आई more or less do अपना ABC, which is
Oh, I also
apple,
love
beetroot, carrot and orange and a little bit of ginger.
एंड उसमें मेरे को आंवला डालने के लिए भी सजेस्ट किया गया.
हाँ वो तो मैंने डाला था एक दिन लेकिन उसका टेस्ट थोड़ा खराब हो गया था. So I said I think मैं आंवला ऐसे ही खा लूंगी. But I do this and then add a bit of काला नमक. So I make it at home. मैं तो इतना नहीं सोच सकती कि अब इसका फाइबर भी मुझे चाहिए, अब इसका मुझे ये भी चाहिए. So I'm like जितना न्यूट्रिशन मुझे जूस में मिल रहा है I'm good with it.
Yeah, I'll give you a recommendation. It's a Netflix recommendation. Very interesting recommendation. Netflix ने इस बार हमें दिवाली पे एक गिफ्ट भिजवाया था, तो उन्होंने एक जूसर दिया था उसमें.
Okay.
And it's the best thing Netflix has ever.
Is it a blended kind
हाँ,
of a thing?
तो मेरे को लगा
उसमें मतलब डालो एंड वो है मेरे पास.
हाँ, तो मैंने क्या उस पर Netflix का
पर उसमें मैंने जूस बनाने की नहीं कोशिश की. I do smoothies, I do protein shakes with this and that in that. तो उसमें वो
तो मैंने सोचा मैं इस पे एक रील बनाऊंगा. My today's Netflix recommendation is a Blendjet.
Blendjet is a different
but like उनका I think collab है क्योंकि इस पे पूरा Netflix की brand.
No, it's pretty cool. Blendjet is pretty cool actually. I picked it up from the US.
But
मैंने ऐसे friends को बांट भी दिए हैं.
हाँ, बट उसमें छन्नी काफी यूज करनी पड़ती है ना, मतलब एक लेयर का वर्क बढ़ जाता है when you have something this portable. मैंने एटलीस्ट जूस
बट उसमें तो so that's why I make stuff in that जिसमें छलने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ.
That's why I haven't tried juice.
So tell me, अगर if I want to make the best use of it, what all do I need to put in
you
it?
do smoothies, dude. Like you can.
Tell me like a smoothie.
So I do like a protein scoop.
Okay.
With some oat milk, with 1 spoon of peanut butter and a banana. It's delicious.
Nice.
And then you can also do. By the way, the adding spinach also sometimes to these smoothies is delicious. You can also do anything with water. So like suppose you have strawberries.
ठीक है.
आपने strawberries डाली, आपने पानी डाला, आपने उसमें और क्या डाल सकते हो आप? Spinach डाल सकते हो. Try this. Spinach, strawberries and water. इसमें कोई छलने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. If I use anything with seeds, अगर मुझे ऑरेंज उसमें यूज करना है, ऑरेंज का छिलका भी है, ऑरेंज का बीज भी है, राइट? तो वो कड़वा भी हो जाएगा और आपको वो बीज मुंह में भी आएगा, ये छिलका मुंह में भी आएगा. सो एनीथिंग विच इज पल्पी इन इटसेल्फ, और ये ज्यादा इसमें मतलब कुछ निकालने की अलग से जरूरत नहीं है. सो या आई थिंक स्मूदी.
ये मैंने स्टार्टिंग में एमेच्योर मिस्टेक्स करी थी कि मैंने कहा काम बढ़ गया, मैं गाजर डाल रहा हूँ.
बट गाजर शुड बी गुड.
बट गाजर इट्स
तुमने से गाजर का ऊपर नीचे का काटा नहीं काटा, ऐसे डाल दिया.
बट इट नहीं, थोड़ा करा था बट थोड़ा प्रेशर बढ़ गया. ब्लेंडेड इज लाइक ब्रो रिलैक्स. क्या कर रहा है?
Yeah, but this is not amateur mistakes. It's amateur mistakes of somebody who's not really aware, who's not really into cooking and who doesn't know. Yeah. It's more of
मैं
that.
लेटली ही आया हूँ इन चीज़ों के अंदर. सो लाइक इट really is fascinating. जब से मेरी हेल्थ वाली जर्नी चालू हुई है, इसमें सबसे बड़ा मेरे लिए जो इंसाइट रही है कि योर फूड कैन स्टिल बी टेस्टी एंड हेल्दी. पहले मेरे ये तो मैं टेस्टी नहीं होता था कि मतलब वो होता है ना एक ब्रोकली खा ली बट यार अच्छा लगा चलो हेल्दी करा, बट टेस्टी नहीं है. सो अब ये जो
ब्रोकली में लाइक मतलब ब्रोकली इज वन ऑफ द
अच्छी नहीं होती ब्रोकली हेल्थ.
नो, हेल्थ के लिए बहुत अच्छी होती है बट टेस्ट तो माशाल्लाह है उसका अपने आप में. सो यस, with something like broccoli you have to be very very innovative.
You know Gulshan, right? Gulshan.
Yeah.
So he is so उन्होंने मेरे को जन्मदिन पे रॉयस की चॉकलेट्स गिफ्ट करी थी and he told me उनका महीने का 6 से 8 हज़ार का खर्चा सिर्फ वो रॉयस की चॉकलेट.
ऐसा क्या है उसमें? सोना
ऐसा ही है उसका. आपने खाई है?
No, I haven't actually.
उसका सिर्फ एक ही स्टोर है GW मैरियट में बॉम्बे में, and it just melts in your mouth.
But is it what, dark chocolate?
Yes, it's dark chocolate और अलग अलग
कितना 80%, 90%?
80% and all, and it's very aesthetic. It's also makes for a बड़ा ऐसे कि रॉयस चॉकलेट्स बड़ा वो
ये सब ऐसे बर्थडे पे प्रेजेंट्स दे सकते हैं.
हाँ और मैं तो गुलशन जितना अमीर नहीं हूँ.
No, but like personally for me, again going back to my conversation, my eating habits or my lifestyle needs to be very easily available and accessible, and at the same time very economical. I want to just keep it at a level जहाँ पे मतलब मैं नीचे जाऊँ या ऊपर जाऊँ, I'm able to just sustain that. तो कभी कभार ठीक है, but I think I mean I would.
And एंड ये जो हमारे प्रोटीन बार्स होते हैं, लाइक डू यू
Yeah, I
consume
at
them?
one point I was eating them like एक दिन का मतलब एक तो होता ही था मेरा, because पूरे दिन की डाइट में I'm like इतना प्रोटीन तो चाहिए
हाँ,
मुझे, so
हाँ.
almost 90-100 grams of protein is what I was targeting. तो I'm like कितना खाऊंगी, क्या क्या खाऊंगी, so there was one protein bar that I was having every day
हाँ.
for a while. अभी कुछ टाइम से मैंने बंद कर रखा है.
Since we are talking about health, apart from the food or the diet, like what else do you enjoy? Do you enjoy gymming, yoga?
Yoga is something I learned very early in life,
Achha.
and it's something I always keep going back to. But filhal, last year or so, I mean, I've always also enjoyed weight training. लेकिन मैंने कभी like I never had a trainer. I would just go and do it myself. But अभी पिछले June July से I got a trainer, and we do hardcore weight training.
Lovely.
And we do it thrice a week, like every alternate day, and we just like kill it in the gym, and I'm absolutely loving that. I recently tried Pilates as well, actually, for the first time, which is also very interesting, but I'm not somebody who can just spend hours exercising, you know, on a daily basis. Honestly speaking, मैं चाहती हूँ कि कम से कम में मेरा गुजारा हो जाए, मतलब मैं अच्छी भी लगूं, मैं अच्छा भी खाऊं, बट ये नहीं कि मतलब मैं पागल हो गई हूँ. सो आई रियली वांट टू जस्ट अगेन गोइंग बैक टू कीपिंग इट एज सिंपल एज पॉसिबल.
आपके पास आईफोन है?
यस.
डेली एवरेज स्टेप्स बताओ मेरे को.
डेली एवरेज
स्टेप्स कि रोज के कितने स्टेप्स होते हैं?
मैं कभी काउंट ही नहीं करती.
हाँ.
मुझे पता भी नहीं उसमें कौन सा ऐप है जहाँ
अभी
पे
मैं बता, इट विल बी फन. आप
Really?
देखो ना. या डू यू हैव योर फोन विद यू?
गिव मी माय फोन.
जस्ट ओपन द हेल्थ ऐप. अभी फन होगा दिस विल. पहली बार के लिए वेलकम टू हेल्थ.
I wasn't kidding. Is it recording anyway? Even if I'm not
Yeah,
logged
I
in?
think so. So आपके आज के 300 स्टेप है, ये आपके वीकली स्टेप्स है, ये मंथ.
300 step?
So basically it is tracking your steps when you have your phone with you.
Oh damn! Which is most of the times I don't have my phone, so that's
so जैसे
that's the
आपका मंथली एवरेज है रोज के 2000 स्टेप.
with the phone in my hand.
हाँ.
So yeah, I think that makes me feel better.
हाँ, ईयरली एवरेज है 2165.
So basically इसका conclusion ये है कि मैं फोन अपने पास ज्यादा रखती नहीं हूँ.
हाँ, ये दिस इज आई वुड लाइक टू बिलीव.
Yeah.
I'll show you my numbers. ये थोड़ा मजा आएगा क्योंकि मैं तो बहुत ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ यार इन चीजों से. सो मैं आज ही देख रहा था. सो दिस इज माय वीकली स्टेप काउंट ये मंथली.
You are a lot on your phone, I must say.
क्या इसका कंक्लूजन ये है. No, but when you're wearing the watch also it tracks.
I don't have the watch. मैं नहीं चाहती कि कोई
Technology हर
गैजेट
जगह आ जाए.
गैजेट मतलब मेरे मतलब
Okay, so tell me the gadgets you have or the things you have in your life which you do not have to charge.
which I don't have to charge.
जैसे wired earphones हो गए. I got wired earphones.
But you have to charge them as well.
No. Do
अच्छा हाँ वो नहीं, हाँ sorry. No, I have वो वाला.
Do you use an electric toothbrush?
Yes.
चार्ज वाला. मैं वही देख रहा हूँ कि किस लेवल तक all these things have come कि हर चीज ही चार्ज करनी पड़ रही है.
I'm a very technologically challenged person, and I love it. I use all this because when I say I use all this, okay, what do I use? I use an electric toothbrush. I use these headphones. और क्या है?
और तो फिर वो हमारा पूरा इंस्टाग्राम वाला जो जोन है. मतलब I also want to know apps. Are you addicted to any apps?
I use a lot of Pinterest.
Not Instagram.
I mean Instagram.
कभी आप
I
ऐसे
think
stuck
I
होते
think
हो?
Instagram is not even considered in an app that you use or you don't. It's just become a part of your life.
बट आप कभी ऐसे स्टक हो जाते हो, अरे 2 घंटे हो गए रील्स.
2 घंटे तो नहीं हुए यार. I think मैं 10 मिनट में मुझे ऐसे एक अवेयरनेस आती कि what am I doing? Okay, get off this, you know. So yeah, I try not to spend.
Do you use any blockers?
In fact, I did a 21-day detox in November from
very nice.
social media. Yeah.
इसके बारे में मेरे को बताओ कैसे किया आपने. Like you had your phone, you just deleted the apps.
No, the app was there. I never opened it.
ये अलग विल पावर है.
Honestly, it's not willpower. We all struggle with willpower in different
हाँ.
areas of our life. This is something that I am not attached to at all. Like I am the happiest when my phone shows no signal. Like अभी हम लोग basement
हाँ,
में
ये
हैं,
नहीं
right?
चल रही है.
So
फ्रूट देखने में उसको 10 सेकंड.
exactly. So अंदर तो there's no network when I was doing the makeup and Mitrayan was like, "Arey, yahan network nahi aa raha." I said,
Great.
he's like, "Do you want Wi-Fi?" I said, "No, I don't." Like, I'm just happy that because of whatever reasons, the phone can be left
Yeah.
in peace.
I saw this reel of Scarlett Johansson recently जहाँ पे वो एक इंटरव्यू में बता रही है कि why she is not on Instagram. She is like, मैं 3 दिन के लिए आई थी, मेरा एक फ्रेंड है, उसकी वाइफ की प्रोफाइल पे गई and I kept looking at it and she's like I started feeling so bad कि यार ये तो मेरे को अच्छा भी नहीं लगा रहा. उसने कहा कि Scarlett Johansson saying कि I'm too fragile to be on Instagram. And it like,
I'm not fragile, but I think I have a much bigger life, a real life happening outside of Instagram. And honestly, if I was as big as Scarlett Johansson, I wouldn't be on social media. I would not be there. And I'm waiting for the day that I become big enough कि I can just go off it.
yeah, this is a quote like मेरे को किसी ने ये बात बोली थी, become so successful that you can afford to be off the social media.
Exactly.
रणबीर को पूरे लेवल पहुंचना
Yeah,
है.
exactly. No, I mean it. I mean it. And like even promotions and stuff, same thing. My goal is to reach such a level that me not doing promotions is the promotion.
What's your take on like Instagram followers coming in the world of acting and in the sense कि oh अच्छा इसके इतने follower हैं, people getting roles or not getting roles.
This is real, man. And it's quite scary actually. Of course, if you are on Instagram and you have good number of followers doing whatever you do and you are good at acting, great. But if you are not really an actor, but you're getting roles because you have so many followers, I find that quite stupid.
You're okay with the former, but ये second वाला
हाँ,
is
मतलब आप में talent है तो यार everyone. I mean, of course, it should be an open industry for everyone.
हाँ.
But अगर वहाँ पे problem है, तो मतलब this can't be a reason people get cast.
does it anger you like कि क्या?
I don't मतलब it doesn't affect me enough to get angry about it. But I just find it. I mean, I understand these are the times we are living in.
हाँ.
Why would I get angry at something which is silly?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Silly is I think the right word
Yeah.
which can be used in this context.
But it's happening, so I also can't be like, "Arey nahi." I mean, what is happening is happening.
It's
You got
happening.
to see it for what it is. You probably have your opinion on it, but that's it. You leave it there.
मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है कि the word doesn't have a good branding, but at the end of the day, everyone is a content creator who has a public profile. आप अलग अलग तरीके से बनाते हो, like चाहे कोई क्रिकेटर हो रन बना के कंटेंट बना रहा है, otherwise they'll get irrelevant. So everyone is playing the game. So you kind of need, जैसे आपने कहा ना, ये हो रहा है तो हो रहा है ना, मतलब आप देख लो. So मेरा वैसे आउटलुक आ जाता है.
My also this playing your game. I think the way the social media is, the Instagram is, people are trying to play all the games. As a generation, we are becoming very confused about what is my game, you know.
Very nice.
We are trying to do everything and anything कि कहीं से तो कुछ निकल ही जाएगा, you know. And I think that's again, as I said, I don't have a problem because it's where we are. This is the times we are living in. But मुझे लगता है कि at some point you have to become very clear about what's your game and then be the best at that, right? So I think that's a bit gray area right now, you know, around us.
What's your game?
My game is acting. My game is cinema. My game is being an artist.
Do you like watching movies?
I love watching films. I mean, yeah, I love.
I don't know if you know, but we are also famous for taking recommendations.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay.
we are to put it modestly, the biggest name in India when it comes to taking recommendations.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
हमारे बहुत सारे interviews जो हम अलग अलग platforms पे करते हैं, those are just about recommendations.
Oh, we should do a complete interview just about this. We can really talk about
Let's do
films
this.
and let's do this. I mean, that's my game. That's my game, you know. I have to be a little more prepared for it. I'll really come with a list. Are we doing it now?
Yeah, we can.
Oh,
do it.
damn. Okay, bolo.
So, which is your first movie watching memory?
I clearly remember watching this film called Kranti. It's a Manoj Kumar film, and I remember हम लोग गाँव गए थे. VCR वगैरह
VCR.
नया आया था, so my फूफा जी had come from, he used to work in Iran, Iraq, wherever, and he came और वो VCR लेके आए थे. तो I remember जैसे पूरी सब लोग बैठ के VCR पे we put a VHS, so हमने उस पे क्रांति देखी थी एकदम. And I still remember that scene where Manoj Kumar, they are on this ship. And तूफान आ रहा है and Manoj Kumar is singing away.
So अभी movie watching के साथ what
And then
relation?
my first film I saw in the theaters was Titanic.
Oh.
And I had my 10th board exams and I requested my dad. I said, Dad, ये तो नहीं है कि मतलब मैं पूरे दिन पढ़ाई करती हूँ. Can I just go and see this film? And I remember seeing Titanic and I was like blown away.
I'm assuming हमारे तो वो पेंटिंग वाला सीन कट हुआ होगा ना इंडिया में.
हाँ मतलब हाँ, सब कुछ नहीं देख पाए हम.
हाँ सब कुछ. हाँ.
But I think उस उम्र के लिए काफी था.
अभी भी आप enjoy करते हो Titanic? Like does it hold for you?
Absolutely it does. It does. It does. And I think the next time I saw it, after maybe, a few years ago, was with the full scene. So, no, but it's just, it's beautiful.
एक चैनल पे बहुत आती थी Titanic. I don't know स्टार पे आती थी या सोनी पे आती थी, but like.
You mean the English one, no?
हाँ, but dubbed in हिंदी. हाँ मतलब डब्ड इन हिंदी भी काफी चैनल्स पे आती है.
हाँ, I'm sure आती है.
मैंने तो बचपन में हमारे एक सैटेलाइट पे एक राजस्थान का एक चैनल था, भास्कर टीवी आता था वहाँ पे. तो मेरे समर कैंप के टाइम पे बहुत सारी वो पिक्चर चला देते थे बैड प्रिंट में. सो मैंने इतनी
इंग्लिश मूवीज देखी है
हिंदी में. हाँ,
वाओ,
वो मेरा एक वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट टॉपिक्स टू डिस्कस है.
या दैट्स समथिंग आई एम नॉट डन.
या कि
एक बार ऐसा हुआ था, वी वर गोइंग टू वॉच कॉन्ज्यूरिंग. One आई थी. I love horror by the way.
आपने कॉन्ज्यूरिंग थिएटर में देखी?
या
फील आ गई होगी मतलब लाइक इट वाज.
बट तुमने कहाँ देखी थी?
मैंने तो
फोन पे
कंप्यूटर पे देखी थी. हाँ.
Yeah.
मैं मेरे एक डीवीडी रेंटर से तब लाता था कॉन्ज्यूरिंग.
फिर भी यार some films have to be watched in theaters and Conjuring. So anyway, I went for Conjuring and we booked a theater जहाँ पे हमें जाना था, somewhere in Goregaon or something. And हम लोग गए, 3-4 लोग थे. And we entered and we're trying to find our seats and all that. And suddenly the movie starts. The film is started in Hindi. And it's the dubbed Hindi obviously. And it's just, we reached and वो शुरू ही हुई थी. And I'm like, ये हिंदी में क्या चल रहा है? And we realized we had booked Conjuring in Hindi. So we left the theater and then we watched it in Angrezi.
The Ring आपने देखी?
Oh, I love it. Again, theaters, man. Oh, fuck, what a film, man. What a film. I saw Paranormal Activities in a theater. We went.
I love Paranormal Activity 1.
Yeah, the first one. That's exactly what I went to watch. The whole theater it was a screening, and the whole theater was full. Okay, उस film में कुछ दिखता नहीं है, but just the way it was, I was shitting bricks. And the last shot जो आता है ना, when they actually show it, I couldn't see it. I couldn't see that. I'm like, ये नहीं देख पाऊंगी मैं. And for the next 6 months, I had trouble sleeping because my eyes would be open. I would imagine कि दरवाजा अपने आप हिल रहा है, पर्दों को कुछ हो रहा है. It took me 6 months to like get over it.
जब हॉरर मूवीज में दिन होता है तो मजा नहीं आता. अरे हाँ, लाइट आ गई.
I know. Thank God, it's all well. Everything is fine.
चलो.
As if they don't show up in daytime or they aren't around. But yeah, I think it's the light that makes us be like, it's a relief.
And ये मैंने
And do you get that feeling when you're watching horror and like suppose a character is entering a space जहाँ से कुछ आवाज या कुछ आई है and you're like, light on कर ले, क्या कर रहा है? Like switch on the fucking light, you know.
The Ring और Paranormal Activity, जो भी horror films होती हैं जहाँ पे एक जगह the horror event happens.
Yeah.
जब भी they switch to the cam in Paranormal or when the well came in the Ring.
And the TV.
Yeah.
The well
TV
and then going into the TV. Oh my God.
Yeah. So ये वो बहुत होता है कि oh shit.
Yeah.
Recursive elements are very fascinating. The latest experience, the newest experience or the most recent experience of, it's not a horror movie, body horror, The Substance. Oh
fuck, I love it. It's not a horror, but
body horror.
Yeah, I mean, I loved it. Like, I don't have a problem watching gore and all that to a great extent. And I think that also matters कि वो किस context में दिखाया गया है. So like a film like Substance, the context is so human, right? That I was never like, oh, I mean, in fact, I love the fact that they went all the way. मुझे वो लास्ट का जो 15 मिनट था, सी once she turns into the monster ना, finally मुझे लगा था फिल्म वहीं खत्म हो जाती है.
ये बहुत लोगों
ने बोला है. And I'm like, उसके बाद को जो था, it was just whatever you were doing. They had to end it on that last shot of that सड़क वाला, right? But I felt the movie just ends there. उसके बाद तो मतलब मुझे that monster scene when it goes into the theater and all that is happening, the पिचकारी that happening.
So I had never seen anything like that, and I'll tell you, मैंने ऐसे बोला नहीं है कैमरा में, but so मैं थिएटर में मामी के टाइम देखी थी एंड मूवी के साथ भी की.
I actually saw it on my TV in that home.
हाँ,
yeah.
तो वो मैंने है कि ये थिएटर वाली पिक्चर है.
it is
और मेरे को था ये इम्पोर्टेंट पिक्चर है, और मैं मेरी एक सीट रोकी हुई थी लास्ट रो में, जो बेस्ट सीट है मामी में, और मेरी दोस्त बहुत टाइम लगाई जा रही थी. एंड आई एम लाइक, ब्रो, मामी में वैसी गाली पड़ती है जब बैग रख लेते हो. और 2 लोग आए कि पूछने की सीट है, विशाल भारद्वाज सर एंड हंसल मेहता सर. विशाल, वैभव कोई बैठा है? मैंने हाँ सर
मैं बैठा हूँ सर.
और मैंने उसको बोला, आई जस्ट लाइक रोक नहीं सकता, मैंने विशाल सर और हंसल सर को तेरी सीट नहीं दी, जल्दी आ. बट आई एम लाइक, शी वाज आल्सो वेरी हैप्पी कि ये तो मतलब क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया. मैंने बॉडी हॉरर जीवन में देखा नहीं है, तो मेरे लिए वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शंस टू बॉडी हॉरर.
So body horror, like, do you think a film like Hostel and Saw?
Saw, I don't think is.
Do you
body
think those
horror.
are body horrors as well?
Saw is
because
gore.
this is the first time I'm hearing of the term body horror.
Yeah, it's a real term. Saw is gore. Saw में तो खून और लाइक की बॉडी अलग एक जॉनर. आई डोंट थिंक Saw is a part of body horror. इसमें तो मतलब
अच्छा,
कि बॉडी के साथ अजीब चीजें होने लग गई हैं, एंड लाइक दैट इज व्हाई द जॉनर इज.
No, it's the first time I'm hearing this term, so yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि Saw में हाथ कट रहा है, बॉडी आपकी नॉर्मल है बट वो खून है, सो वहाँ पे जो आपका डोपामीन आ रहा है वो खून से आ रहा है.
नहीं, मेरा तो नहीं आता, मेरा तो मर जाता है जितना होता है, ऐसे it gets sucked out of my body. When I said I can watch gore, as I said, it's in the context. If you're showing me a film now, for anyone to even think of something like a Hostel and actually make it the way they made it, like, full marks to that.
आपने ह्यूमन सेंटिपीड देखी है?
I have seen parts of it. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's similar, like similar stuff, yeah. So ये मैं कुछ point के बाद I'm like, dude, 100 marks to you for doing what you're doing and going all the way.
But मुझे मेरी नींद पसंद है.
हाँ, but it's just yeah, it's just a little too much, yeah. But Substance, like, there was not a moment where I was like wincing and I was like cringing inside. No, I was like, I just love the subject and what they were talking about, and it's a body, yeah. It's like, I mean, क्या ही मतलब उससे आप घिन कर सकते हो, because it all exists, you know.
We were discussing it in our like movie club. हमारा WhatsApp पे एक movie club है, तो I asked कि अगर इसका Indian version बनता है Substance का, who would be the actors you would want to play the role? इसमें तो Margaret Qualley and like the other
Demi Moore. Yeah, she won the Golden Globe.
Yeah. So एक बहुत मस्त एक किसी ने दिया कि we would want Dimple Kapadia to play Demi Moore, and जो luck by chance में the other actor जो थी, मैंने कहा था तृप्ति डिम्परी and Dimple Kapadia. वो मतलब कि like है ना,
works. Yeah, Dimple I think is great.
Perfect for this.
Yeah. But even like Janhvi Kapoor
also, yeah. Janhvi Kapoor is very interesting.
Yeah.
As an actor, I am very fascinated कि Substance देख के कैसा लगा हुआ है, पर्टिकुलर एज अ फीमेल एक्टर की. ये तो बहुत रियल है, मतलब जो एजिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट उसमें दिखाया है. वो याद है जो सीन जब वो जाना होता है उसको डेट पे, or like she just keeps delaying it.
It's one of my favorite scenes in the film. You know, it's cutting with the her interview on that, and she's just like losing her shit, and she's you know, the way she's Spanish French khana, you know, that she has a French book, and then the way she's like, you know, I think it's such a stunning scene. See, again, it depends, yaar. I mean, I think if your DNA is that of an actor, this is like a treat,
It's a treat.
right? Agar and the beauty is the subject itself is about the obsession with vanity and staying beautiful and whatever. So I am saying that when your subject is like that, you have to go the other way. That contradiction and that coming together exactly is what is so exciting for an actor. Like I would jump at it,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
like a film like Monster. Remember Charlize Theron?
I remember the new Monster जो उसकी पिक्चर है, Japanese film जो आई है, Monster,
I
about
haven't
two
seen.
kids.
No, I haven't
It's a
seen that.
beautiful कोरिदा की जो film है यार.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं देखी.
अच्छा, I
Oh,
don't-
you don't remember this one? Okay. So I'm saying Charlize Theron, who's such a beautiful looking woman, you should see her in Monster. Like the way she, and it's based on a true story. So I'm saying that actually moving away from looking beautiful is actually very exciting. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, on screen. Now, I'm particularly saying on screen because if you tell me, like, I would love to look as ugly and as this as possible. For me, that's the challenge on screen. You know, off screen, of course, the challenges are different.
Which is your favorite घिनौनी film that you have seen? ये कितनी घिनौनी थी यार, ये क्या दिखा
मतलब
रहा है?
in terms of gore and stuff, or like just the
Just the feeling of घिनौनापन.
but in like physical घिनौनापन, not like ये क्या हो रहा है
नहीं,
types,
नहीं, not
ना?
that
like
one.
घिनौना like that.
घिनौना.
Human Centipede
Yeah,
would be one.
yeah, Human
you know,
Centipede, definitely.
yeah. Like Hostel also, I was once I knew what they're up to, I was like forwarding, and I know that this shit happens. Like in terms of what is it called, dark web, right? Right, dark web,
Dark
right?
web, dark web.
I mean, dark web is all about all of this and a lot more, right?
Torture movies भी जैसे है ना, मेरे को पता नहीं.
हाँ, मैं torture movies, I can't. मुझसे नहीं होती torture movies.
मेरे को तो एकदम
चाहे वो human beings हो, चाहे वो animals हो, मतलब I think I have a bigger problem with torture on animals in that sense for some reason. I'm not denying the existence and the possibility of it because I know it happens. In whatever percentage it happens, there are people who are warped, who are, you know, something. So I'm not denying the existence and the reality of it, but it's something that it's almost like I don't need to go there, you know, I don't need to witness it.
Yeah. मैंने जो बहुत टॉर्चर ये फिल्म्स एंड शोज के थ्रू, अच्छा इतना क्रिएटिव भी हो सकता है टॉर्चर, जैसे गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स में वो करता था.
Dude, I love Game of Thrones.
उसके नील बेड के नीचे बिकॉज आप कभी कभी सोचते हो कि ओ शिट ये, एंड देन दे गो ऑल द वे, दे डोंट स्टॉप.
The beauty of cinema is it is not about you exactly showing. It's about putting the seed of an idea कि the suggestion of कि ये है, you know, it's the suggestion itself that induces like a sort of an emotion and a feeling in you, and it can just be left there, you know.
आपने बैरी देखा है, बिल हेडर का?
नहीं.
So it's a great show that I would highly recommend. Bill Hader's Barry. Barry के season 2-3 में एक scene आता है where एक बंदे का torture
तो
scene.
Monsters वाली कौन सी बात कर रहे थे? Show on Netflix. There's also a show on Netflix. Remember about these two brothers? It's based on a true story. It's called Monsters only, right? I saw that show.
अच्छा.
Yeah, it's based on a true story. Very interesting.
तो बैरी में एक टॉर्चर सीन दिखाया है वेयर जस्ट एक एनिमल दिखाना है जो आके एक प्रिजन में अटैक करने वाला है एक बंदे पे, एंड उन्होंने उस एनिमल को छोड़ दिया है. नाउ इन दैट होल सीन द कैमरा इज जस्ट ऑन द गाय हु इज इन द प्रिजन, एंड उसको बस
उसके
animal
point of
की-
view से
हाँ, हमें उसकी आवाज एनिमल की सुनाई दे रही है और वो दूसरे सेल में किसी को खा रहा है.
Yeah,
the beauty
exactly.
is
They
the
show
beauty,
nothing.
they show nothing.
Exactly.
It's just the sounds and
Exactly.
Yeah.
I mean, cinema is, for a reason, it's sound and visuals.
Yeah.
And you have to choose, you know, in terms of how to say what you want to say. So there are times that you think is like substance. I wouldn't have been okay with just the sound of the body, something happening to the body, and it wouldn't have worked, right? So you have to sort of make a choice between, okay, मुझे आपको हाई इम्पैक्ट चाहिए ना, आपको वो हाई इम्पैक्ट किससे मिलेगा? इज अ चॉइस दैट आई थिंक अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट फिल्म मेकर मेक्स अकॉर्डिंगली.
आपने रिक्वीम फॉर अ ड्रीम देखी है?
I've heard of it, I've not seen it.
उसमें भी बेसिकली 2 हेरोइन एडिक्ट्स को दिखाया है. सो इसमें जो इंजेक्ट वाले सीन्स थे ना सब्सटेंस में कि शी हैज टू the
Go
last
all the way,
time I
Spinal
saw
Cord
it
पे, हाँ.
was
Oh, it was in that film? Okay.
Darren Aronofsky की फिल्म है वो, one of his first films. तो वो वेन्स पे वो शूट करे जा रहे हैं एंड यू सी कि उसका हाथ पूरा खराब हो जा रहा है. लाइक दे आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग ओनली बिकॉज उनको वो रश चाहिए.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
No, but like think of doctors, the injection scene
Yeah.
that we are talking about, which I'm sure a lot of people had a tough time even looking at it, right? But doctors do that.
उनका हाथ नहीं कांपता.
हाँ, मतलब कुछ के कांपते भी होंगे तो I'm sure they have gotten over it. But I think what you're able to consume and how much you're able to digest what you see or experience is so dependent on where you are in life, what's your exposure, you know. कोई एक blanket rule नहीं होता, and I think that's the beauty of life and cinema.
You know, one of the films I recommended the most in 2024 on Chalchitra was another film जिसमें ऐसा दिख रहा, oh shit, will they go all the way, will they go all the way, and it was Girls Will Be Girls. Because Girls Will Be Girls,
I saw it, it's a beautiful film.
It's one of, it's my favorite film of 2024. But
it's such a...
the idea of mom and that kid, कि अच्छा तू बाहर सो वगैरह.
Yeah, I know what you mean. That's what I'm saying, the film has such beautiful, you know, moments, and it's almost like on the surface you feel कि यार but conflict क्या है, like चल क्या रहा है, like you know you sometimes somehow want it to be like in your face कि कुछ तो हो, but it's almost like the conflict is like one layer down, and it's just it's filled the air,
it's really,
you know, and I think it's stunning. So I really, in fact, I watched it I think a couple of weeks ago. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Which are your favorite genres, like when it comes to films?
I do love horrors. I love love stories. Like love as a concept is such a integral part of all our lives, and yet it's so, you know, sometimes I feel it's so tough to make a real love story that truly, like, you know, just
Which are
gets
some of
you.
your favorites?
I love Notebook. I love Blue Valentine.
Oh yeah, one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Blue Valentine is more about falling out of love.
Which is also a big
genre
part
I
of,
love.
which is also a big part of falling in love. You know,
Yeah.
that's another reality. It's the other side of the coin.
Blue
you know?
Valentine का एक scene है which I talk about a lot, जहाँ पे Michelle Williams बोलती है, I have nothing for you, nothing.
It's so heartbreaking.
Yeah.
It's so heartbreaking, and Ryan Gosling is like, and funnily he's in both the films, Notebook and
La La Land. उसका बहुत में दिल टूटा है,
Yeah,
like कि उसका बहुत में कटा है उसका.
I am in love with him. Like he's amazing.
Yeah, like it's a complete genre where his heart is getting broken.
Yeah, and even like if you talk about Hindi films, this one, गजब का है दिन देखो, what is that film, guys? अरे यार, Juhi and Amir's their first film. They're pretty much the first film. No, not Amir's first film. अरे guys, कयामत से कयामत तक, you know, and yeah, I mean it's such a beautiful film that it still stays on. I saw Three of Us. Did you see Three of Us?
I love
Yeah.
Three of Us.
It's got these elements which are of love, actually, you know, between Shefali and Swanand, and then there's a relationship between Jaideep and his existing wife, but then there's something else between Shefali and Jaideep, which is, you know, it was such a beautiful film, actually.
My favorite scene is the end one, जहाँ पे वो merry-go-round
merry-go-round पे, yeah.
And
yeah.
वो Jaideep,
Jaideep is so good in the film, like not a single false moment. He's just so in it. It's beautiful.
I'm yet to watch the season 2 of Patal Lok, but
I have heard amazing things about it. Amazing things.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna watch it. I'm finishing Black Warrant right now. Did you see Black?
Lovely.
Black Warrant is lovely, and in fact, I went for the screening. तो पहले 2 episodes मैंने बड़े screen पे देखे यार. I miss watching stuff on the big screen,
Yeah.
man.
So I like to believe the first episode of Black Warrant Saap is one of the best pilot episodes ever made in
Yes,
India.
I agree.
And
I
in
agree.
fact, I called
very impactful, very strong.
I called Satyanshu after 5 episodes. मैंने कहा ये क्या बना दिया यार आपने? And बहुत beautiful conversation.
और बहुत सुंदर लिखा है
हाँ,
सत्यांशु ने actually. I
yeah.
met him at the screening and he's like, oh, I've been waiting to meet you. And I'm like, yeah, hi. He's like, guess what? I'm like, what? He's like, I'm also from FMC. So he actually was in my sister and brother-in-law from FMC. They are in fact in Pune right now. So he was like, I'm like, I have to meet you. Whenever I meet you, I'm going to tell you that I'm an ex-FMCite. I quit, after I finished. And then I'm like, wow. But yeah, he's written.
Yeah. In fact, he told me on the call कि वह मैं 15 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ and पिछले 24 घंटे में जो हुआ है because I called him on day 2 or day 3. He's like, I have never experienced it. वह मैं खुश तो हो सकता हूँ ना. वो डर लग रहा है खुश होने में.
I know what you mean, yeah.
And I'm like, holy shit, like यार ये तो कभी हुआ ही नहीं.
Yeah. This is very beautiful actually. He said मैं 15 साल से कर रहा हूँ and then one day just overnight things happen, right? And this is exactly what I believe in. And I was having a conversation with, I think you yesterday or something, day before, yesterday. I said यार हम लोग सब मेहनत करते हैं. We give our best, we are at it, we do what needs to be done. And somehow, sometimes you feel that कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. Like, where is all this mehnat going? Like, where are the results, right?
Yeah.
And one day, something just clicks, something happens, something aligns. And ये आपकी उस 6 महीने या 1 साल की मेहनत नहीं है. It's all the hard work that you've put in all those years or all those months before this one big day. So, yeah, I mean, this makes me really believe that it's happened to me as an actor, and I'm very sure it'll happen to me as a producer, that you just do your thing, and then one day you're like, okay,
Yeah. मेरी एक like acquaintance है नेहा तोमर. She is a singer.
I've heard of Neha Tomar, yes.
मैं-
Dude, Neha Tomar, I know. I met her in Switzerland.
हाँ.
Oh yeah, of course.
So she told me कि मैंने बताया कि मैं आपके साथ एपिसोड कर रहा हूँ. उन्होंने कहा कि यार उन्होंने मेरे को एक बात बोली थी एक बार. You
in
said
Switzerland, we were shooting together, yeah.
Universe is always working in favor of you.
Yeah.
You said it to her and she's like, I've never forgotten.
Oh, that's...
Yeah.
This was 2
मैंने
years
कहा
ago.
बताऊंगा मैं उनको. हाँ.
Oh, how sweet. I truly believe that actually. And it's so, I mean, I feel so nice that, आप किसी से बात करते हैं and then something you say stays with them. And I truly believe that. I have stopped believing in my life that, oh my God, why is this happening to me? And why is life against me? And I'm like, life is always in your favor. Universe is only working for you, आप कितना जल्दी उसको समझते हो, कितना जल्दी आप चीज़ों को सीखते हो, that's on you. It's literally a 180 degrees attitude shift. Oh, the world is against me. Oh my God. Versus, okay, good, bad, ugly, whatever is happening, it's happening for you, So yeah.
Did you always have that mindset या
No. I think
switch आया कोई?
Switch overnight nahi aaya hai. It's been a journey. The journey is something that keeps happening every day on a daily basis. But I think I have really come to believe this and understand this in the last 5-6 years. And I think my journey towards understanding how the universe works and who am I and what is this all about started in 2009 and it's 2025 now. So journey chal rahi hai, but I think this belief got firmly set in me 5-6 years ago.
Which are some of your works or which is one of your works that you think deserves more recognition? कि यार इसकी बात हो तो मजा आएगा. ये मैंने एक चीज करी थी.
I did a film called Jal.
Okay.
With Purab Kohli and Girish Malik directed that. There was Tanuja Chatterjee also in that. It released in 2014 and it's based in Kutch. It's a story of these two villages, two rival villages, and the center of the film is the problem of water. And I feel that film is something that really, really deserved a lot more. And it's a beautiful film with a very beautiful subject, and I would love to see that being released. I don't know, being out there in a different.
It's not.
It's out. But I'm saying it must be on one of this thing. But the conversation of it, happening again. And even like although Shadistan, I think was quite well received, But Shadistan again is a beautiful film, that choti film thi, but with some very beautiful moments and an overall conversation that happens in it.
Got it. And in India and outside of India, who are some of your favorite actors?
Of course, I think Meryl Streep is someone I think who's everyone's favorite.
Which is your
probably.
favorite Meryl Streep film?
Bridges of Madison County.
I've seen this. Yeah, wo Clint
Wait,
Eastwood
Bridge,
wali na?
yes. Again, a love story.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's a beautiful
It's
love
a beautiful
story.
love story. I actually really liked her in Julia versus Julie. Oh my gosh, she's amazing. Kramer versus Kramer.
मेरे दिमाग में पहला नाम वही आया था, Kramer versus Kramer.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorites.
She's something else. And there is this film, I don't remember the name of it, again based on a true thing, where she did a film with Hugh Grant. I don't know if you've seen it, where she plays this singer, like sort of an opera singer, and she's horrible at it,
She's a horrible singer.
She's horrible at singing, but she believes she's good. And Hugh Grant is someone who's sort of a partner, and he keeps telling her that you are amazing, and how she actually becomes good at it, something like that. But she has like this some terminal illness or something. So Hugh Grant always tells her that you are beautiful, like you sing so beautifully. He never tells her that, oh, okay, what the. So she has performed. You should see that film, because when she sings, you are laughing. But जितने मन से वो गा रही है, believing that she is the best in the world, and the whole play of that innocence with you finding it funny, it's just so beautiful.
So गंदा गा रही है and she gets away with it.
No, so she's not singing publicly.
अच्छा.
वो खुद ही ऐसे perform करती है. She's a rich woman and all of that.
अच्छा.
But you have to see, there are too many things to it. It's just beautiful. You have to really see it. I really like Emily Blunt. Kate Blanchett is stunning.
अरे अभी मैंने कौन सी देखी केट ब्लैंचेट की? Tar, right?
Tar देखी. I saw Tar in Berlin Film Festival.
Oh,
It was the closing film.
I loved it.
Yeah, and I was like, what a film, and what is this woman?
Some people hate that film, but I loved it.
I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. And
उनकी Blue Jasmine.
Blue Jasmine, yeah, again a love story. Blue Jasmine is a love story?
It's about.
Do you remember Carol?
Yeah, I remember.
I loved Carol.
Carol is great.
Blue Jasmine कौन सी है यार?
Woody Allen ने जो बनाई है.
I haven't seen that. I think
It's a great film.
I've heard so much about
Blue
it.
Jasmine.
Yeah.
I think उसके लिए वो nominate भी हुई थी Best Actor के लिए.
Yeah.
2013 में आई थी शायद.
Do you remember Match Point? Scarlett Johansson and Woody Allen का film.
Yeah. Great.
What a stunning film. Did you see Mayor of Easttown? Like
Yes.
I love that show.
So I'm hugely
Like Emma
into,
Stone, so many of them are so lovely.
I'm hugely into like mini series. मैं बड़ा
I love limited series.
हाँ mini limited.
I love limited series because I've realized मैं normal seasons जो होते हैं, normal seasons वाले shows, मैं एक के ऊपर बहुत कम जाती हूँ.
Yeah.
मतलब I just kind of let go. So limited series are the best, and Apple TV पे अभी I saw some 2-3 things,
बताओ.
So Kate Blanchett का नया show आया है.
Oh yes, जो Alfonso Cuarón ने बनाया है.
You have to see it to like, it's beautiful. It's based on a book. And then I saw this another one called Presumed Innocent.
Loved it.
Right? You saw it, right? Did you see hers? Lady in the Lake.
अच्छा वो नहीं.
Did you see that? I'm forgetting the girl's name again, a very lovely actress. So yeah, I mean, there are a lot of these shows as well, and I love them. Have you seen Severance on Apple TV? There's season 2 that's just calm. Yes.
You should see Silo on Apple TV. Silo.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Oh, what are you saying? इनकी वो देखो ना planning. Silo was their main sci-fi show जो पिछले 4 महीने से नवंबर से चल रहा था.
Okay.
जिस दिन last episode of Silo आया, उस दिन new episode of Severance आया. So Silo में how can I forget? Rebecca Ferguson जो Dune 2 वाली है.
Oh.
So she's the lead in
Oh
Silo.
wow, she's lovely.
She's lovely.
Yeah, even this girl, Zendaya. क्या Zendaya ना?
हाँ Zendaya.
हाँ? हाँ, I mean the Dune girl.
आप प्रोनाउंसिएशन की बात कर रहे हो
हाँ,
ना?
मतलब, her name is-
ZENDAY है।
हाँ, ZENDAY.
We'll call her Z.
Zendaya, okay, Zendaya, whatever. She is lovely.
Yeah,
Like, did you like Dune?
I love Dune.
I love Dune.
बट
yeah.
ड्यून में उनकी एक्टिंग इतनी नहीं दिख रही जेंडाया की, वो उसमें तो मतलब वो
हाँ,
जो-
Zendaya actually.
हाँ जेंडाया वो यू नो देयर इज दिस जोक की
Oh, by the way, love story. Call me by your name.
ओ यस
यार मुझे ना लगता है कि आपने जब एक बार, I won't say एक बार, but you are either a good actor or you're not, right? और आपने अगर वो एक बार ही establish कर दिया है ना,
शी वाज अमेजिंग इन चैलेंजर्स बाय द वे,
I've not seen that.
यू हैव टू, लूका की फिल्म है वो जिन्होंने कॉल मी बाय, आपने
Oh really?
द टेनिस वन,
I've not seen.
आई 500% श्योर आपको पता है चैलेंजर्स के बारे में, द इट्स ऑल ओवर द अभी ऑस्कर्स वगैरह में भी Zendaya is there, the other guy there is supposed
Is that the black and white film?
no.
But have you seen this film, Zendaya? And I think it was made during COVID.
I know what
You
you're
know what I
talking
mean?
about.
Yeah, I'm forgetting the name. Yeah.
Yeah. She's a great actor. So उनकी acting मेरे को Challengers में बहुत पसंद आई थी.
Okay.
Again, one of my favorite films from last year. I would strongly recommend. Prime पे है वो.
Okay. Have you seen Anatomy of a Fall?
Yes. I hate Anatomy of a Fall. I had a
Oh,
very
you hate
huge,
it?
a huge discussion with Varun
This
Grover.
is what we need to talk about.
मैंने वरुण ग्रोवर के साथ जब एपिसोड किया था, मैंने कहा अभी it's one of
I'm
the
in
biggest.
love with Anatomy of a
It's
Fall.
one of the biggest scams of modern century. That film.
We could almost end with this fight, so I think it would be worth it.
बहुत fun है. It's a film. It's a wannabe Talwar. Have you seen Talwar?
Oh please! Oh please!
It's a scam.
I mean, you are saying it's a wannabe Talwar.
Talwar is a great film, dude. Like
It's a lovely film, but and I okay, all right. Anatomy
नहीं,
was stunning. Did you see Zone? क्या?
Zone of Interest. Yeah.
What did you think?
I like Zone of Interest. Zone of Interest के जो फिल्म मेकर है उनको मैंने काफी
Follow किया
Jonathan
है।
Glazer. Jonathan
I'm very
Glazer.
bad with the names. I just see films.
उनको मैं काफी सालों से स्टडी कर रहा हूँ. एड्स बनाते हैं, बहुत अच्छे एड्स बनाते हैं. तो ही इज अ ग्रेट फिल्म मेकर.
No, I mean it's lovely.
और ऐसे बताओ कोई फिल्म जहाँ पे लाइक अ फिल्म दैट एवरीवन लाइक्स बट यू हेटेड. लाइक आई हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियन अबाउट द फिल्म तमाशा.
I've not seen the film,
Oh, you haven't seen Tamasha?
and I think a lot of people really like the film.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah. Okay.
So Tamasha पे जैसे that is one film.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
हाँ, everyone likes. So मैं उस जोन का कुछ जानने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ये ठीक ही तो है. मतलब एनाटॉमी का जैसा मेरा वो था कि everyone loved it, but
तुम्हारा तो बहुत strong opinion है anatomy को लेके. Yeah.
there's a very good article which Richard Brody wrote about Anatomy of a Fall, जो न्यू यॉर्कर के मेन क्रिटिक है. He like shat on the film कि why it is like a वो. तो मैं कुछ पिक्चर आती है ना कि क्या है ठीक ही तो नहीं, क्या हो गया, मतलब ऐसे
Sure. Yeah. I mean, see, beyond everything, art is very subjective.
yeah.
Right. So you can't force it down someone's throat.
Yeah, but it's good if you still have opinions about it. The
Yeah.
only cardinal sin is dullness. वो सुना होगा आपने कि bad film is still okay. It can't be a dull film. कि किसी ने बात ही नहीं करी.
किसी ने बात ही नहीं करी. That's the
Indifference
worst.
is
Yeah.
the thing.
Indifference is the worst. Yeah.
कि किसी को
Yeah.
फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा यार. मैंने ये
Yeah.
करते.
Yeah.
Animal पे opinion तो आएगा यार कि यार ये क्या कर दिया. Joker Part 2. I haven't seen the second Joker.
देखो देखी नहीं उसने.
नहीं बट बताओ लाइक ऑडियंस ने तो देखी है.
So मुझे पहले opinion मिले before I was going for it. After that also I've had discussions. तो there were very strong opinions of कि ये क्या है, मतलब what the fuck, like ये क्या बना दिया, मतलब एक जोकर बना के अभी जो जोकर 2 तुमने बनाया है क्या बनाया, okay? And music, मतलब आपने उसको musical बना दिया. The film was watchable for me. It was quite watchable for me personally. It wasn't watchable for a lot of people. But मुझे musical जो उसका musical aspect आया है Joker 2 में, it is a very big deviation from what Joker is and how it was treated and all of that. But यार मुझे लगा कि यार ठीक है, this is a director's take. Okay, and I personally didn't mind it. I kind of digested the film. Yes, there are some things I agree with people in terms of ये नहीं हुआ, ऐसा हो सकता था, वैसा हो सकता था. तो फिल्म थोड़ी सी एक ही उसमें चलती है. There are not very many high points. But मुझे I enjoyed. I think it's a well-made film and मुझे मज़ा आया देखने में. जोकर 2 के लिए बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियंस हैं सबकी, लाइक पीपल रियली डोंट लाइक द फिल्म, बट आई डिडंट माइंड इट.
There's this meme हमारे मूवी क्लब में जो आजकल चल रहा है, आई थिंक स्टार वॉर्स का एक मीम है जिसमें द गाय सिंग कि मतलब मीम का कैप्शन है कि इट्स ओके इफ माय फेवरेट फिल्म डजंट विन, आई जस्ट वांट एमिलिया पेरेस टू लूज.
I saw Emilia Perez, yes.
And people are like, ये नहीं जीतनी चाहिए, बाकी कोई भी जीत.
Oh really? There's such a strong. I actually like the film.
हाँ,
I like
वही
the film.
म्यूजिकल में ना लोग थोड़े ओपिनियनेटेड एनीवे बहुत ज्यादा हो जाते हैं, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. वो लोगों को इतनी इजीली.
I think people expect music to be a part of a certain kind of genre, like a La La Land. अच्छा प्यार है, ये है, you know, love stories, this and that. You are, you know, musicals like school क्या बोलते हैं उसको, school musicals होती हैं जो भी होता है.
high school
musicals. Like there are some genres that you have become okay with the fact कि यहाँ है तो I can digest it. Imagine a Joker becoming a musical, right?
Yeah,
It's too much of a stretch of whatever. Like an Emilia Perez, which is the story that it is. आप music हो रहा है उसमें. I like this little deviation from what we think is normal. Like ये तो this is accepted, right? तो मुझे थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है when somebody is able to think of different genres musically and able to sort of do justice to it. Yeah. So I enjoyed Emilia Perez.
Yeah, I think लोग बहुत बोलते भी हैं जोकर 2 बहुत इंटेंशनल है, like the way Todd Phillips did it.
Do you think it can be any other way? इतनी बड़ी फिल्म है ये, इतने बड़े बड़े लोग इस पे अटैच्ड हैं.
हाँ.
मतलब Joaquin Phoenix is Joaquin ना, it's ना और Joaquin, yeah. So I mean, someone like him has said yes to a Joker 2.
Yeah.
ये तो नहीं कि अचानक से हमारे बॉलीवुड में बोला कि यहाँ पे यार ये बात नहीं जम रही है, गाना डाल दो यहाँ पे. ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ होगा on the set. It's everyone's, you know, it's a big film and everyone knows what they are stepping into. So obviously it's not कुछ और नहीं हुआ तो गाने डाल दो. No, it was designed that way.
It was designed.
Yeah. So
Audience just wasn't ready or expecting that, तो उनको बड़ा दिल टुटू हो गया उनका, ये क्या करें.
हाँ मतलब first Joker was something else. आपके एक certain expectations हो जाते हैं. You know, you want to see. आपने एक चीज first part इसमें देखा है तो आप उससे बहुत ही उल्टे चले गए या अलग डायरेक्शन में चले गए तो it becomes difficult. So I am not saying that it should have been a musical or it should have not been. Even if I think आप म्यूजिक नहीं भी करते तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता था उसमें, बट म्यूजिक बहुत ज्यादा हो गया फॉर पीपल टू रियली लाइक डाइजेस्ट की.
चेंज के साथ वो थोड़ा हो जाता है,
कुछ ज्यादा ही हो गया. हाँ मतलब थोड़ा सा.
There is this quote I like कि they are going to crucify you if you change, they are going to crucify you if you do not change, so you better be changing.
I mean, honestly, yeah, I was talking to a few friends from the industry and we are like, yeah, sometimes obviously for discussion's sake and sometimes to actually genuinely understand कि okay, चल क्या रहा है? Like, what do people want? What do audiences want? What do you want to understand? But घुमा फिरा के आपको लगता है कि यार actually किसी को नहीं पता है, like from the people who are sitting on this side who are actually making stuff, किसी को नहीं पता है क्या चलेगा, किसी को नहीं पता कि क्या होगा, you know. So I think the bottom line is you do your thing, yeah. You do your thing to the best of your understanding, to the best of your ability, and honestly, वहाँ पे तो honesty रखो, you know. So बाकी I think we're all figuring it out, yeah.
अभी राहुल देसाई ने कुछ दिन पहले ट्वीट किया था कि मैंने मेरी कॉफी बनाई and before I had the first sip, 5 horror comedies were announced.
Yeah, the trends, they are laughable, but then there is.
अब सबको लग रहा है हॉरर कॉमेडी इज
बट ऐसा इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा होता है, एक दो चीज चलती हैं तो वो आपके ट्रेंड शुरू हो जाते हैं, फिर 10 लोग उसकी तैयारी करेंगे, बाय द टाइम 10 लोग तैयार ऑलमोस्ट होंगे तो कुछ और चल जाएगा, तो फिर वो बंद हो जाएंगे, फिर कोई नया चल जाएगा. सो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ जोक, बट एज आई सेड इट्स व्हाट इट इज. अगेन बैक टू वेयर वी स्टार्टेड, इट्स सिली बट it's what it is.
Are you into books?
I would like to believe that I am, but मैं बहुत मेरा पढ़ना बहुत कम हो गया है, बहुत
Okay.
कम हो गया है.
What about music? Like, what kind of music do you like?
Except for heavy metal and that music that makes you go. Maybe I should not say this. बहुत गालियाँ पड़ेंगी.
No, you should then definitely say it.
No, I mean music that almost is on the verge of sounding like noise.
Yeah.
Is something that I'm not okay with, but otherwise I'm like I love Bollywood. When I say Bollywood, like Bollywood भी बहुत सालों से चल रहा है, so बहुत सारे उसमें भी music patterns आए हैं and all of that. कुछ अच्छे गाने बीच में निकल जाते हैं. I love Punjabi music. I love ghazals. I love jazz. I love country music. I love blues. I love क्या बोलते हैं? Soft rock. Yeah, I mean
alternate rock भी होता है.
Yeah, मतलब हाँ.
Are you into the new Punjabi music? कोई artist या song?
No, I mean पुराना also. Like मुझे I love this is my all-time favorite, Jazzy Bees, जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया. I fucking love that song. It's like it's a kick-ass song.
There's this new Punjabi artist I discovered because of Kohra, Wazir Patar.
Kohra was so lovely.
Yeah. तो उसमें वाजीर पातर के 2 गाने आते हैं.
Oh yeah, I should check it out actually.
हाँ, it's very nice. मैंने जब सुदीप शर्मा जी के साथ किया था एपिसोड, we like did a whole segment on Wazir Patar.
Oh nice.
And he told me how he discovered, because the show ends with the Wazir Patar song और एक जगह अभी तक देख लेना चाहिए, एक जगह ब्लास्ट होता है कोहरा में, शादी में एक वो दिखता है सिलेंडर, तब भी वाजीर पातर का एक गाना आता है.
Wazir, what is his name? नेटवर्क भी नहीं है यार यहाँ पे तो.
You can write it WAZIR.
वजीर ना. हाँ. पातिर.
PATAR.
Patar. Okay. Yeah. No, I'll check it out. Yeah. I love these. There are a lot of these new people coming and बहुत अच्छे अब तो मुझे ऑफ तो वो आ नहीं रहे हैं, but मेरी Spotify पे मतलब ऐसे playlist मतलब because you play one and then बहुत अपने आप play होता रहता है, so I'm just discovering such beautiful music.
Which is your favorite हिमेश रेशमिया song?
तेरा प्यार 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 हुक्का बार तेरी आँखियों का वार जैसे निर्दय शिकार. This is not Himesh. It is.
Yeah. Partially, it is.
Partially, it is, right? I know Akshay Kumar is in this song.
Yeah.
But
it is.
बहुत गालियाँ पड़ेंगी मुझे.
नहीं. He is.
Tanduri. But this one, Hukka Bar, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
I love this line. तेरी आँखें दवान जैसे शेर दा शिकार ना 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 ना.
I really like आपकी कशिश and आशिक बनाया आपने.
Oh yeah.
आपकी कशिश तो बहुत.
What आपकी कशिश? How does it go?
आपकी कशिश
आपकी कशिश
सरफरोश
है आशिक बनाया. Yeah, of course that too. Yeah. आशिक बनाया आपने.
जो आपकी नई फिल्म आ रही है बैडएस रवि कुमार, उसके बारे में कोई ऐसी चीज बताइए that people don't know.
People don't know anything about that film right now.
Yeah, उसके गानों के बारे में बताइए हमें. Are they better than आपकी कशिश and आशिक बनाया आपने?
A couple of them are. In fact, I have a song in the film. I have a cabaret in the film, which people don't, me and Prabhudeva. So hopefully it'll be out soon. And so yeah, I'm very nervous about it because obviously I've not done something like this. So yeah, that's a nice song. And then there is, I think this Bazaar-e Ishq was nice. That's come out. Then दिल के ताज महल में दिल के ताज महल मेरे मुमताज महल में. मेरी
टीम ने एक चीज़ पूछने के लिए बोला था इससे रिलेटेड, ये तो कि इज इट लाइक अ पैरोडी फिल्म और लाइक क्या?
No, yeah, it's not.
अच्छा.
See, it's not a parody film or a spoof film or whatever it is. It's a proper film. इसमें कहानी है, हीरो है, हीरोइन है, विलन है, सब कुछ. It's like an ode and a tribute to the Bollywood of 80s. Okay, so आज के टाइम पे we are just taking you back to the times of 80s and giving you, because today's generation doesn't really know what kind of cinema 80s had, right? Do you know? You look like you don't. It's like, what is she talking about?
One part of the internet is very excited about.
Exactly.
Like one part, all parts of the
All
internet.
parts. I have met a few people yesterday who are like, we are going to see Badass. So
नहीं सब देखने वाले हैं.
हाँ यार. So
The same day has Interstellar.
यस इंटरस्टेलर की री रिलीज के साथ आ रही है ये.
There is Interstellar being re-released.
On the
इसका
same
कुछ
day.
10th anniversary कुछ है ना?
Yeah, on the same day.
Make the choices.
Yeah.
I think the choices are pretty clear for everybody. So yeah,
तो दोनों
I
भी
would
देख
go for a
सकते हैं.
badass.
Yeah.
Interstellar मुझे वैसे भी समझ नहीं आती है. I've tried it twice.
टेनेट थोड़ी है, इंटरस्टेलर तो सिंपल है.
यार टेनेट भी बहुत हार्ड नहीं यार पता नहीं for some reason I've tried it twice. Interstellar नहीं हो पाया मुझसे. I'm sorry whoever thinks I'm very intelligent. I don't know. I just didn't get it. Beyond a point, I stopped trying. Like Inception is one of my favorite films. Like I love Inception. Right? But
आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन द टॉपिक ऑफ हिमेश रेशमिया. मेरे को उनके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए बिकॉज आई हैव इनका जो पूरा टेंजेंट रहा है लाइक एवर सिंस ही स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग एंड देन लाइक द एक्टर, द राइटर, द डायरेक्टर, लाइक कैसा मतलब टेल मी अबाउट
he's not directed this film.
बट ही इज अ राइटर लाइक उनका
I mean, he's it's the ideas and he sits with the writer and all of
आई
that,
थिंक
but he's not.
डायलॉग्स एंड
हाँ, उसमें थोड़ा बहुत होगा, but no, he's not directed the film.
बट लाइक एज एन एक्टर एंड लाइक वो स्टोरी में भी काफी इन्वॉल्व था. आई थिंक स्टोरी में भी
Yeah. It's, I mean, everything is his brainchild, and you know, he's put it all together, and you know, a lot of it is him for sure. So क्या जानना चाहते हैं आप?
मेरे को कोई एक ऐसा फन फैक्ट अबाउट हिमेश रेशमिया दैट पीपल माइट नॉट नो. आई एम जस्ट वेरी फैसिनेटेड बाय द ह्यूमन बीइंग.
No, he's actually a very fascinating human being. It's been a year of me meeting him for the first time for the film, and the film releasing now, and I am still very fascinated by him. A lot of people don't know this, but यार उस बंदे का जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री, ऑफ द बोलते ना ऑडियंस की नब्ज, he understands it yaar, and he's not fooling around with it. Like he knows what he's doing. He's not dependent on anybody.
True.
He's doing his own thing. He's doing it the way he believes
Yeah.
it needs to be done, it should be done, and he's been very true to that yaar.
That's why he has a cult audience.
Exactly. So मतलब it's not like मुझे कुछ और सुनाया गया था, कुछ और बन गया है. I mean, the reason I'm in this
Yeah.
is because I'm like, okay, here's this guy who's not telling me कि मैं पता नहीं क्या बनाने वाला हूँ and then you know make something else. This is exactly what he set out to do from day one, and this is what he has come out with. And he is clear. मतलब लोग कुछ भी बोले, कुछ भी करें, हंसें, कुछ भी करें. He's just very.
He's
very sorted in his head.
हाँ.
In fact, मतलब because I come from the other side of Bollywood where I'm a little more into artistic and all of that. मेरे लिए तो मतलब every time I sit with him and he talks about the industry and you know how it
Wow.
works and I'm like, wow, like I'm actually receiving and understanding a lot of things from that perspective. जिस perspective पे शायद मैं कभी ध्यान ही नहीं देती थी. You know, so यार वो बंदा बहुत क्लियर है, जो भी है, जैसा भी है, he knows what he's doing, and I 100% respect that and appreciate that, because बहुत लोग हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में जो you might think that
who are playing too many games.
that's exactly the point. He knows
The game.
his game. He knows the game he is playing and he's very good at that. क्या पहना है तुमने? टी-शर्ट क्या पहनी है तुम्हारी?
So ये प्रभदीप की मर्च है. The singer Prabdeep.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's just very.
Is there any part of you that is not promoting someone or something?
No. Genuinely not. ये मेरे को ये सब तो मुफ्त
No, it
का
was
है
हाँ. That's what I'm saying. मतलब कहीं कुछ
जो मैं रेकमेंड नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
देखो जैसे आज मैंने अपने खुद के कपड़े पहने हैं,
Nice.
अपने खुद के शूज पहने हैं, अपने खुद के इयररिंग्स पहने हैं.
मेरे को जैसे सोलारा की वाटर बॉटल बहुत पसंद है.
ये देखो मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, this is like a fully paid promoted show.
Yeah, बड़े भूखे नंगे लोग हैं हम. The only collaboration I am waiting for to happen with, मतलब मैं चाहता हूँ कोई मेरे को पैसे दे एक चीज़ के, is Apple TV, because they are making the best shows with the worst promotion. लोगों को पता ही नहीं.
What is first? What do you mean by first promotion?
Worst promotion.
Worst promotion, अच्छा.
Apple TV best shows बना रहा है, लोगों को पता ही नहीं. लोग अभी तक ये कंफ्यूज्ड है कि Apple TV प्रोडक्ट है या वेबसाइट. उनको पता ही नहीं खरीदना होता है Apple TV देखने के लिए.
Really?
Yeah, people don't know it. Like we live in the nice world of Apple devices.
But you mean worldwide or just India?
Worldwide they are slowly getting the recognition because अब थोड़े उनके shows भी ज़्यादा land कर रहे हैं. But India में people are unaware of the impact they have put in the world of sci-fi. Sci-fi में कितना खेल रहे हैं, लोगों को सिर्फ Severance पता है. But there's this whole universe of the dark matter, the Silo, उनका जो show है Gary
Did you see
Oldman.
Dark Horses? What is it?
Slow
Horses.
That was the other recommendation. So
I've seen
Bad
two
Sisters.
seasons.
Bad Sisters.
That I haven't seen.
हाँ. Shrinking. इतने shows हैं.
हाँ,
तुम
है तो
पैसा
बहुत
दो,
कुछ.
मैं ऐसी दुकान चलाऊंगा.
So Apple TV is listening. आपने Apple की वॉच भी पहनी हुई है.
Apple
हम
से
iPhone
बात-
के बारे में पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं.
हाँ भाई हेल्थ ऐप खोल चुके हैं. So हाँ मतलब या
बस Apple की चिप आनी बाकी है जो इंसान के अंदर जा सके बस. I think that's.
वो भी नहीं बट एप्पल भी करेगा, सिर्फ इलॉन मस्क थोड़ी करेगा.
Sorry, I'm just very bad with these things. Yeah.
Which are some other things that like fascinate you outside the world of like films?
You know, I'm a biker.
Oh, I didn't know this.
Come on, how can you not do your homework, bro? No, but that's fine.
I'll tell you मेरा होमवर्क कैसा था. Okay, मेरी टीम एक मेरे को PDF भेजते. This is all you should know. मैं मेरी तो करता रहता हूँ रिसर्च. जैसे I could have started with the Kolaba to Malad joke, but like वो मेरी अलग like
अच्छा, okay.
वो मेरी अलग रिसर्च है. So मेरे को ऐसे ना डॉक्यूमेंट आता है.
I'm not even reading.
Yeah.
Just.
बाइकर नहीं आया.
Yeah,
मेरे पास बैडमिंटन आया, बाइकर नहीं
हाँ
आया.
बस देखो आप बाइकर तक कोलाबा तो पहुंच गए, आप मलाड तक नहीं पहुंच पाए.
Good one.
Yeah.
This is
बैडमिंटन से बाइकिंग तक नहीं पहुंच पाया.
good one. हाइकू हो गई आज हमारी एक.
Like, so yeah, I started biking 3 years ago,
Okay.
and on the Shaira 3 years ago I said. So I love mountains. At the same time मुझे motion sickness भी बहुत होती है.
एवोमीन खाते हो आप वो जो?
हाँ मैं 1-2 बार खाई थी. मेरी पूरी ट्रिप की लग जाती है because I have passed out. So I have missed everything along the way that you're actually supposed to look at and enjoy. ठीक है, so Avamin is out. One of the times I was shooting in Ladakh for Bard of Blood. My ex-husband then he came over and we said bike पे जाएंगे. And bike पे हम लोग गए 60 किलोमीटर तक जम गए. Okay, and then we decided to come back because it was freezing cold. And we were not prepped like that. And he was the only one who used to ride that time. मेरे को आती नहीं थी. But I think that's the time that I realized कि यार मुझे इस पे तो motion sickness नहीं हुई. मतलब I was totally fine, right? So I think that's where the seed happened. And
Wow.
उसके last 3 years ago I finally got my bike, Classic 350, Royal Enfield, and I learned. मतलब मैंने स्कूटर चलाया हुआ है, मुझे स्कूटी वूटी तो आती है, एंड आई एम वेरी गुड कार ड्राइवर एज वेल. बट बाइक का जो सिस्टम है वो थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइम लगा, हफ्ता 10 दिन. आई वाज लाइक लद्दाख ट्रिप करनी है, और मैंने लद्दाख ट्रिप के लिए मैंने बम्बई की सड़कों पे ट्रेनिंग ली है विद ऑल द स्पीड ब्रेकर्स एंड द पॉट होल्स एंड द ट्रैफिक तो खैर वहाँ इतना होता नहीं है, बट द पॉट होल्स एंड स्पीड ब्रेकर्स रियली हेल्प मी get ready for Ladakh. Can you imagine?
Thanks to BMC, आपकी training.
Yeah, I think I should really thank the BMC. So whoever is listening and want to go for a bike trip to Ladakh, Bombay is the place to train yourself. So I trained, and then that June, in fact, Priyanka is here. We both went for a bike trip. वो bike नहीं चलाती है, तो वो side में car में थी मेरे साथ, but I was on the bike by myself, and it was a 10 days trip, and I was like, this is something else.
Wow.
Yeah, and I think that's the time I realized why guys especially love bikes so much. Like, it's just a different feeling. And then I went for another thing to Spain last year, so I rode just in Barcelona and outskirts of it. This year again, I went for my second bike trip to Himachal
इस
for
बार
7
कहाँ गए
days.
थे हिमाचल?
Dharamshala से Lahore and back.
Wow.
So again, my Mitran and Priyanka were with me. We have had such crazy experiences. So, but yeah, I think that's something that is a very new addition to my life, and I absolutely love that.
जो आपने travel के through दुनिया देखी, which are some of your favorite travel spots in the world?
I am very fond of Europe. मुझे यूरोप में मुझे लगता है कि आप मुझे बस बोल दो ये यूरोप है और कहीं भी भेज दो, and I'm like, this is so stunning. So Europe में I have been to a few places. I've done a bit of Italy and Spain. I went last year for a solo trip as well. Amsterdam is gorgeous. I was in fact, Switzerland I've gone a couple of times.
Wow.
I've also gone to the ski village called Zermatt. in Switzerland. It was stunning. I have driven from Switzerland to via Austria to Germany. And I love Berlin as well. I mean, Switzerland is of course pretty, but Austria has this, it's like a fairyland. You know, it's almost like वो जो ऐसे बनाते हैं ना, कि मतलब ऐसे बना के सब प्लेस कर दिया. It's so stunning.
मेरा जो vicarious relationship है with Austria is because of Before Sunrise. Because ये Vienna
Such
जो
lovely
है-
films, both of them.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm sure you have seen both and the third part.
Yeah, वही both
yeah,
नहीं, तीनों जो
yeah,
I
yeah,
love.
yeah.
I think आप life में जिस पड़ाव पे हो, depending on that, Before Sunrise becomes your favorite, then Midnight, then Sunset. Like
So आप किस पड़ाव पे हैं?
मैं Sunset वाले पड़ाव पे, Sunrise वाला गया, Infatuation और हो जाए अच्छा हाँ favorite movie वगैरह वो सब।
No, but you could. It's not just infatuation. You could also
No.
be in that spot, you know, where you are meeting someone and falling for someone overnight. It
Yeah.
happens. Like it's legit.
It's definitely
Yeah.
I वो मैं मना नहीं कर रहा, but थोड़ा
फिलहाल जो चल
सनसेट
रहा
और मिडनाइट में ठहराव वाली जो चीज़ है, और मिडनाइट तो इतनी रियल हो जाती है।
Midnight में तो ऐसे डिप्रेस हो जाता है कि ये बस खत्म हो गया अभी, मतलब
हाँ,
सब
हाँ,
अरे यार, if it all has to end here, then you know,
Yeah.
I mean I know what you mean, but I think the idea of love is something that we just idealize and fascinate so much about that we all sometimes don't want to see
Yeah,
some
जैसे-
aspects of it.
and I love when they show that aspect. मैं खुद भी ऐसा
I know
कुछ
what you
अभी
mean, yeah.
बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, but like there is this film called Closer, जिसमें
Oh, I love Closer.
तो उसका एक सीन है, मैं उसको yeah.
Blower's Daughter.
Yeah.
The song. What a beautiful song. Julia Roberts again, one of my favorites.
और उसमें एक जूलिया रॉबर्ट्स का ही सीन है, मैं टीम को एक दिखा रहा था, where like I think she has cheated on her husband and he's asking where did you do it. That's where we had our first fuck. How did you do it? Okay, did you come? Or it keeps going until she says he tasted just like you, only sweeter. And I'm like, holy shit! You never see these things on the like the movie, in the movies. So I'm like, यार ये तो बहुत ही रियल हो गया यार, मतलब ये तो इसका मेरे को आधा भी दिखा दो कि सेक्सुअल टॉक्स गॉन टू दिस लेवल. अदरवाइज आप मैरिज स्टोरी एंड क्रेमर वगैरह में यू सी दोज hard conversations, but when you involve sex and take a conversation to there, because
And that too, something that doesn't make you cringe at the end of it.
yeah,
It's like, wow, you know, it's
Yeah,
आपने
उस-
इतनी बड़ी बात कह दी,
and
but
आप
it doesn't
cringe-
make you be like,
this
hey,
is what
you know.
you need to aim for, because उसका husband पूछता भी है कि वो उससे पूछती है why are you asking this, he says because I'm a fucking caveman, like dialogues like that.
Oh my god, it's and like again, like Closer is such a well written and beautifully handled film, yaar, and it happens.
Yeah,
like
such a
it's
nice
you know,
way to put it, beautifully handled.
Yeah.
So I'm actually reading the biography of Mike Nichols right now. It's very nice. जो उसके फिल्म मेकर हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन. मैं मतलब कुछ एक फिल्म बुक हमेशा पढ़ रहा था, बट वो मेरी 6-7 महीने से चल रही है और 6-7 महीने और चलेगी. ये रोज के 4 पेज भी पढ़ रहा
yeah,
ना.
yeah, that's enough.
हाँ,
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा है. I love such films. Midnight में वो बहुत अच्छे से encapsulate किया है, जो उनकी लास्ट फाइट होती है.
I remember in the room, yeah.
हाँ, in the room.
Yeah. But it's almost heartbreaking, you know. Like I think somebody just breaks my heart when two people come together, you know, and it just seems like the end of the world and the beginning of something else, you know, and then when it reaches a point where it just like falls apart, and I'm like, I mean, I don't wonder in that sense, but I'm like, like this is, you know, I wish this feeling and this togetherness and what two people feel for each other could be like prolonged, you know.
Yeah, you know, there's this Boyhood जो है रिचर्ड लिंकलेटर की, उसमें वो माँ का एक डायलॉग
I've not seen the film though, actually.
और वो माँ बोलती है कि मैंने पहले बच्चों को पढ़ाया, फिर वो स्कूल चला गया, फिर लाइक कॉलेज चला गया, बोलती है यू नो व्हाट्स, मतलब वो पागल हो गई कि बच्चा क्या है मेरी लाइफ में एज अ मदर, एंड शी इज लाइक कि यू नो व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, इट्स माय फकिंग फ्यूनरल, एंड देन शी इज सिटिंग अलोन एंड देन शी सेज आई विश देयर वाज मोर. एंड आई लव दैट सीन डूड, कि यार यही थी क्या मेरी पूरी लाइफ, बच्चों को बड़ा करा, भेजा, बच्चों को बड़ा करा, मैं अकेली रह गई.
Yeah.
क्योंकि शी वाज सो पिस कि उसका फाइनल जो लाइक जो बड़ा बेटा है वो अब कॉलेज जा रहा है, एंड शी इज लाइक क्या वाज दिस माय लाइफ. So
Yeah.
when it gets real is when I like fall for the films. कि हाँ, ये
Yeah.
बात सही.
Yeah.
ये कहीं और नहीं देखा है. So
Yeah.
this is like, इसलिए I
But
think
even like Anatomy of a Fall, I mean, you have going back to it, you have your opinions on it. But I think for me, one of the most beautiful things.
उसमें वो एक scene बहुत अच्छा है.
That one where they are,
Yeah, yeah,
she's,
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you are
The-
showing it as a flashback and you
Yes,
know what
that
happened.
scene is lovely.
नहीं, पूरी film बहुत अच्छी है, but exactly, like, you know, it's like in a court of law, how do you tell or how do you explain what happened between two people? Why they grew apart or why they behaved the way they did? Why did they fall out of love? It's like these things are, you know, just between two people, and sometimes I think just with yourself, because sometimes two people are also don't have the same reasons why they are falling apart or why they are growing
Yeah,
apart, you know.
yeah.
So it's such an intimate and such an individual thing that आप अपने आप से ही इस बारे में बात कर सकते हो या इसको और समझने की कोशिश कर सकते हो.
I wish I could have said कि नहीं मैं वापस देखता हूँ, समझ नहीं देखनी मेरे को. वो तो नहीं
It's okay.
होता है ना कभी कि
Maybe I missed something.
हाँ,
yeah.
maybe I
need to
missed something.
revisit,
It's
yeah.
me. It's
Yeah.
not me. It's her. The film. Sorry.
Wow. No, but that's fair, yeah. That's fair.
Yeah.
To-
Anything that I haven't discussed जिसके बारे में आप बात करना चाहेंगे?
Not really, yeah. Unless I'm dying, we can always meet again some other time and talk about
नहीं,
other
if you are
stuff.
dying तब तो पक्का मिलेंगे.
तब तो पक्का बात करनी चाहिए.
हाँ और
No, what will be my last words? No, yeah, I'm good, yeah. जितनी बातें हुई, spontaneously हुई, बिना दिमाग लगाए, I think it's great.
What else is cooking? Where can people see you next? What is
Hisab
coming?
Barabar, dude. My film Hisab Barabar is a comedy on a bank scam, which is coming out on 24th of Jan on Z5.
Oh, nice.
And I'm actually, I think it's something that people will really enjoy. And there is Badass in the theaters. So
वो तो जाऊँगा मैं first
हाँ
day.
अभी तो ये दोनों हैं. And I'm happy that the year is sort of, because I'm also like somebody who मैं बहुत टाइम के लिए से गायब हो जाती हूँ, you know. And I think this year I made a new resolution कि मैं इस साल बहुत काम करूँगी, you know.
Oh wow.
And I just want to work and I just want to be out there, you know, and not think so much about, oh, but इसकी करूँगी तो फिर इसका क्या होगा, फिर ये कैसा है, फिर वो you know what, as I said, nobody knows आप जो काम कर रहे हैं उसका क्या रिजल्ट होने वाला है. Where is it going to finally land? Nobody has a clue. So might as well just do your thing, yeah. Keep it simple.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you,
episode.
Vaibhav.